What's altering the space-time continuum?
And what does all this have to do with the shopping channel?
Everything. Day after day, history is rewritten, and everything needs to be totally coherent. You tried to fix it at first, but you gave up very quickly and focused all your energies on becoming someone important. You forgot about the real issue for many years.
That's not true. I was in jail. What the fuck did you expect me to do? It's a miracle I managed to escape.
Are you guys talking about a new show or something?
Every single day you were inside, I had a date with your little friend here in the glasses. But none of this would have happened but for one small detail. Your chum here's obsession with a certain product range.
You guys talking about the shopping channel?
You mean the Wondermatic 9000 series, right?
Oh, I love it.
Precisely. Wondermatic Industries kept on growing and growing for this very specific purpose, to satisfy today's people's needs and to help Matthew Griffin kill himself.
Did he just say help Matthew Griffin kill himself?
But the real problem came a few months later. If you release a new product every day, you're doomed to run out of ideas very soon. So eventually the shopping channel was full of crazy appliances that no one would ever buy. No one but Matt.
Okay, I think I understand the thing about the shopping channel, but Matt looks pretty normal to me. Yeah, he's a little distracted, but compared to the last time I saw him, he looks pretty good.
Oh, your friend's not an issue anymore. We took care of that. He might not remember a few things, though.
Yeah, well, nothing new there.
Why are you guys talking about me like I'm not here?
I'll be back for you two in a couple of hours. Don't even think about leaving this apartment.
Wait, but...
No buts. The chit-chat's over. I'm already behind schedule, thanks to you. Soon, you'll be the only living beings left on this planet. So, behave.
What a pickle, huh?
Pickle? I don't know if you've seen the outside, but this is a goddamn apocalypse!
Yeah, looks like it. Wonder what happened.
You mean you don't know? Dude, Death himself brought you here. Were you not listening to anything we said?
Not really. Mentioned something about the shopping channel, so I assumed he was trying to sell you something.
Ah, god damn it, Matt. We fucked it up. We really fucked it up this time.
But how can this all be our fault? How the fuck did we manage to bring about the end of the world?
We must have been really, really drunk.
Yeah, we were really drunk, but believe me, I'm having the worst hangover in history.
I know how you feel, man, and I have the remedy for all your ills. We just need some milk, some cereal, and the shopping channel. You can't imagine the trash you can buy on there. It's amazing. There's nothing better on a holiday morning.
It's not a holiday. It's just a Monday.
I know, but come on. If Washington's birthday is a holiday, shouldn't the apocalypse be one too? I mean, it's the apocalypse.
Well, when you put it like that...
See?
Let's do it then.
All right, well, sit back. Make yourself at home. Okay, this is beyond me.
And then she tells me that she needs to be with someone more mature. Come on, I'm like a fucking million years old.
What in heaven's... Didn't I tell you to stay in your bloody apartment?
Oh shit, you're right. Are you gonna kill me?
Well, we should.
Is this the pickpocket?
Yes.
Hey, kid, you think you can go around taking stuff that isn't yours?
Let's teach him some respect for private property, shall we? Come on, Famine. You're up. Oh, come on. You've only got to chop his hand off.
It's not that big a deal.
Yes, we all know it's lunchtime, but what's the problem? It'll just take a second and the kid'll have you to thank for the rest of his life.
Well, lunch is one of the most important meals of the day, so I think I'll go grab some tacos and maybe some soda.
Just a second, young man. You're not going anywhere till we've decided what to do with you.
What if I showed you a doctor's note where it says I suffer from an acute case of kleptomania?
What the hell is that supposed to mean?
We don't care about what your psychiatrist says, you nincompoop.
No, Famine. I haven't seen your jaw around. And excuse me, but you're not the only one who's hungry. We would all love to grab a bite. What? Since when am I in charge of lunch? Well, I appreciate that you took out the trash, but how does that make me the lunch lady?
Brothers, stop fighting. The key to our problem is right here, looking right at us with that dumb look on his face.
Me?
Him?
Why not? I'm hungry.
I'm not liking the sound of all this too much.
Why ever not?
Well, 'cause you're hungry and you're gonna eat me?
How right you are.
What? No, there's gotta be a better way.
Look, kid, we get it. You don't want to be eaten. But the only thing worse than killing all forms of life on the planet is killing all forms of life on the planet with famine, whining about how hungry he is.
It's nothing personal.
You're right. Isn't that big bucket? It's personal.
You can't eat me. The guys from the IRS want to judge me or something, right, Mr. Death?
Bastard, you're right. Although, if we ate you now, it would save them some.
Hey, wait. Don't you think the boss will get mad if we eat it?
Probably. But you know, she'd get cross if she sees us lazing around.
But we gotta eat something. It's a basic need. We're human beings.
No, we are not.
Right.
Will someone give Famine his jaw? I'm sick of his babbling already.
Don't be a spoil sport. It's terribly funny.
I'm sorry to interrupt you, but I seem to recall you mentioned your boss a little while ago.
Yeah? So?
Can I talk to her? I just think that this is all a terrible mistake.
Oh, believe me, you don't want to talk to her.
I see. Well, I'm gonna have to insist here. I don't care if your boss is some sick, twisted bitch from hell. We have a lot of things to discuss. Seriously, I don't care if your boss turns out to be some kind of monstrously ugly swamp donkey that stinks like Marconi. Oh, shit. She's right behind me, isn't she?
Well, well, well. Who do we have here? If it isn't Randal Hicks, the best friend to all his friends, the ring robber, the space-time penitent, the most feared prisoner in all prisons, and of course, my lovely ex-fiancé. How have you been?
Hey, what do you know? They know each other already.
Sally? Is this some kind of M. Night Shyamalan-style plot twist? What's the meaning of this?
It means I won and you lost. The ring is mine.
Hey, boss, we were just taking a short break.
Were you after the ring as well?
What are you, stupid? Of course I wanted the ring. I'm the bride.
Okay, and that makes sense. You know, let me start all over. So, how's the preparation for the big day going?
Well, I'm a little mad right now, to tell you the truth. They promised me these guys were the best I could find for the job, but I see now that they're just the best standing around doing nothing. It looks like if you want a decent apocalypse, you gotta do it yourself.
We were just on our lunch break, boss. We'll be back hard at it in no time.
You better be.
Sally, this is too much for me. I need to know what's going on.
Can't you see? It's the end of the world. You caused all this with your constant space-time alterations, and now I'm the queen of all this mess. I couldn't have a wedding, so why not have an apocalypse instead?
But, who says you can't have your wedding? Matt is sitting on my couch right now, and he's just dying to see you.
Dying to see me. Yeah, very funny, Randal. What is it this time? Did he behead himself with a pizza cutter?
No, not at all. I mean, he's alive, and he just really misses you.
It's true, boss. We took care of that Griffin issue already.
Good job, but too little too late, I'm afraid. I don't want to be tied down to anyone anymore. That part of my life is over. I'm young and powerful, and I want to live my life. Do you have any idea of how boring it's been to see the same corpse in the kitchen over and over again for all these years? Well, marriage is a little bit like that, so I'll be using this ring for a different purpose.
I see, but, you know that ring is cursed, right?
Wrong again, Randal. You just have to learn to control its power.
Oh, I'm sorry, but, you don't seem to be doing a very good job.
What? I'm sure you have never seen a party like this before.
Well, that's true, but I know you, Sally. You were never into all this apocalyptic crap. You're just hurt, and honestly, I don't know why.
Me? Hurt? What makes you think that?
Well, I don't know. All the lava flooding the streets, this permanent smell of sulfur, talking skeletons, but, most of all, I can feel all this tension coming from you.
Very observant. But you just don't get it.
What do you mean?
Just drop it. If you don't even know what's going on, just drop it.
Yeah, kid. You'd better just drop it.
Like hell I will. What am I supposed to know?
Damn, Randal, how could you be so stupid?
I warned you.
What did you expect? You thought all this would actually end well? Just get the ring back and act like this all never happened? You screwed my wedding day. You ruined the most important day of my fucking life. What the hell were you expecting, you selfish prick?
Look, I'm sorry, honestly, but don't you think the apocalypse is going a bit far?
Of course not. No one fucks with the bride.
She's right there.
Sally, that ring is really evil. Would you mind taking it off?
Evil? And what do you think I am?
That ring's changed you.
Maybe, but obviously for the better.
No way! The Sally I know would beat the crap out of you.
Oh, I'm so scared. Say hello to her if you see her. Oh, and say hello to that stupid bum who gave Matt the ring as well. Thanks to the both of you, the world is mine. Ha ha ha.
Wait a second. How did you know all that?
Oh, come on. I know everything. I've had my eye on that ring since Matt got it from that stinking bum. Matt's wallet never had any secrets from me. I have gone through it every night since we started dating to make sure he didn't spend all his money on booze and temporary tattoos.
I don't approve of that at all. But go on.
The thing is, one day I found this ring, and I fell for it. Since the very first time I laid eyes on it, I've longed for it. But then you came along and stole your best friend's wallet, you ruined his wedding, you made him kill himself more than 2,000 times. Well, you know the story. But what matters here is that despite all that, I got the ring, and it's all mine. Isn't that great?
Oh, sure, great. It's just fantastic. Take a look around. This could only get better.
Of course. My loyal servants will make sure of that.
Us?
But I don't understand. Why do you control them?
Did she just call us servants?
Don't you get it? They fear me. They know it's best not to anger me, or they might lose their heads.
Aw, come on. You were a good person. You even donated clothes to charity and everything.
You fool! I'm not the same Sally you used to know.
Oh, hey, now I get it. It's that time of the month, right? Okay, relax. Let me go get you some ice cream. What kind do you want?
What did you say?
Don't answer that. It's a trap.
Well, it's that time of the... the communists arrive, the lights are red, the monster is monstering.
Ah!
Oh, bother.
Oops.
How do you like my new look, Randal?
You look great, honey.
I already knew that. I always look fabulous. But now that I have wings, I look even more gorgeous.
Yeah. I'm sure all the girls are gonna start copying you.
No way! If I see any other girl with wings, I'm gonna